You know what can make your cupcakes, cakes, and desserts absolutely amazing? Sprinkles! The right sprinkles can take your cupcakes from basic to totally amazing. Luckily, we have lots of seasonal sprinkles to choose from. We have perfect Halloween-themed sprinkles from a simple McCall's Halloween mix, which is vibrant black and orange, to sparkly Halloween pearl purple sprinkles. We even have pumpkin, bats, and ghost sprinkle mix that is going to make all your desserts extra spooky and fun. If you want to just add a touch of fall to your cakes and cupcakes, grab our autumn leaf mix and throw on a few brightly colored edible leaves as a finishing touch to your desserts. They will definitely be the most delicious leaves you've ever had for sure, and all the fun festive sprinkles to make the cupcakes you saw here in this video. Our sprinkles are sure to make your cupcakes picture perfect, so seriously, snap a pic and don't forget to tag us at Love McCall's.